At the end of this tutorial, you will learn about how to make text follow a moving object in Capcut. There are two methods to put text on moving objects. First, open Capcut applications on your phone. Then click New Project. Select the clip you want and then click Add button on the bottom. On your screen, the video will pop up to your timeline. Select Text at the bottom menu. Then select Add Text. Type anything you want. For example, I choose running. Click this button. Move the text to the position you want. Then, drag the text on timeline. After that, slide the bottom menu until you found Tracking. Click Tracking. On your screen will pop up a circle like this. What you have to do is to change the size until fit on the object that you want text to follow, and then drag the circle to the object. After that, click Start Tracking. The moment you start clicking Start Tracking, text will follow the object in video. The first method is done. The second method is like this. Click Add Text. Type anything you want. Click this button. Drag the text at timeline to same length of your video. Move the text to top of screen. Click Keyframe. After that, you need to move the video on timeline a little bit until the object moves. Move the text above and put on top of the object. Repeat the process until text totally follow the object. And don't forget to resize the text and make it fit the size of the object. You don't have to click the keyframe button after you move the video on timeline. The keyframe will automatically place by itself after you move or resize the text. To make the movement look smooth, ensure your adjustments are precise and consistent. Play back the video to check how well the text follows the object. If needed, adjust the keyframes for a better fit. That's it. You've successfully made text follow a moving object in Capcut. I hope this tutorial helped you learn how to make text follow a moving object in Capcut. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy video editing tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or ideas for future tutorials. Click Save to Device to save the video to your gallery. Check out the previous video and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next videos.